Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Our today's recipe is stuffed bhendi in a different way. We are using coconut and roasted Bengal gram powder instead of besan. So this is a unique and different kind of stuffed bhendi. Looks yummy, right? So let's start. For this we need 12 to 15 bhendi. You can choose tender bhendi, it tastes yum. 2 tablespoon roasted Bengal gram. I have finely grinded the Bengal gram. 2 tablespoon roasted peanut powder. Half cup freshly grated coconut. 1/4 cup lime juice. Half cup finely chopped onion. 2 tablespoon finely chopped coriander. Now let's slit the bhendi. Cut the front portion and the tail portion of the bhendi and make a slight slit in middle of each bhendi. Use tender bhendis so will not have much seeds in it. Now you can see we have slit it in between. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add the slit bhendi. As we have used tender bhendis, it gets fried quickly. Fry these bhendis until they are no more sticky. You can see the bhendis are nicely fried. Switch off the gas and keep it aside. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add half cup finely chopped onions to it and fry it until the onions turn transparent and are slightly cooked. Now you can see our onions are nicely cooked. Switch off the gas and let it cool. Let's prepare stuffing. To a bowl, add half cup freshly grated coconut. Add fried onion which we had prepared earlier. Add 2 tablespoon roasted peanut powder. Add 2 tablespoon finely grinded roasted Bengal powder. This is also known as putana. Add 2 tablespoon finely chopped coriander. 1/4 cup lime juice. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon sabzi masala or you can use garam masala. Salt as per taste. Powdered sugar a little to balance all the flavors. You can add normal sugar if you don't have powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients well. Now you can see our stuffing is ready. Let's stuff this stuffing in the fried bhendis. Take a little portion from the stuffing and fill it in the bhendi. Press it tightly so that it does not separate when we are cooking. Repeat the same process for the remaining bhendi pieces and press it from all the sides tightly. This stuffing will definitely taste delicious with bhendi. Let's cook these. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and jeera, a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Mix it well. Let's add a few curry leaves as curry leaves gives a nice aroma to the tempering. Our tempering is ready. Let's add stuffed bhendi to it. The regular stuffed bhendi with besan takes much longer time than this. Try this out as this is a different variety of stuffing with coconut and roasted Bengal gram powder. Now let's flip the bhendi on the other side so that it gets cooked from all sides. Cook this on low flame. As we have pressed the stuffing tightly, you can see there is no stuffing which is coming out during cooking. Now our stuffed bhendi is almost ready and it is cooked from all the sides. Stuffed coconut bhendi is ready to be served. Enjoy this stuffed coconut bhendi with hot chapatis or rotis or even dal rice. Make sure you wash and dry the bhindis thoroughly before cooking this recipe, and try using tender bhindi as it cooks fast and tastes really good. Thank you for watching. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes and share your responses in comment section.